Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose.
On a hot summer's day like today, where all of Brisbane is sweltering, here at the Waterline estate on the waterside of Thornlands, you can feel the bay breezes. Welcome to 31 Waterline Boulevard.
Shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me.
From the high ceilings and the wide hallways, the oversized windows combined together give you a great sense of space and natural light throughout. From the 4 bedrooms, all queen size, the master a separate retreat. The stone bench tops in the kitchen, the polished timber floors. From the kitchen overlooking your yard for your children to play and keep an eye on. The family happiness and a community spirit, and location is important to you, this is one to keep an eye on.
Got a restless mind.